Hi guys, I'm Charles Din Aquino from BSed Math 2B, and the item that assigned to me is item number 21, and this item is an example of matrix, and this matrix is already in row echelon form uh, because this matrix satisfy all the following properties in row echelon form, and then uh, we need to from matrix from this we need to transfer it into system of linear equation. When we transfer it into linear equation, we can see the equation. We read this x to the first term plus 2x to the second term plus x to the fourth is equal to 4. This is the first row, and the second row is x to the second term plus 2x to the third term plus x to the fourth term is equal to 3. And then the third rows, x to the third term plus 2x to the fourth term is equal to 1. And the last row, the fourth row, x to the fourth term is equal to 4. The question is we need to find the solution set. To find the solution set, we need to use the back substitution to find the solution set. And this is the solution that I made. First, we can see the x to the fourth term is equal to 4 because in the system of linear equation, x to the fourth term is equal to 4, and you can use this equation to find the x to the third term. To solve for x to the third term, copy the third row. The third row is x to the third term plus 2x to the fourth term is equal to 1, and substitute the x to the fourth term in this equation, and the equation is x to the third term plus 2 times 4 is equal to 1. 2 times 4 is equal to 8, and we need to do the additive inverse. Additive inverse of positive 8 is negative 8, and when we add additive inverse in the left, we need to add additive inverse to the right. So the equation is x to the third term is equal to 7 because 1 minus 8 is equal to negative 7. And we already find the x to the third term. Next, we need to find the x to the second term. To find that, we need to copy the row 2. And the row 2 is x to the second term plus 2x to the third term plus x to the fourth term is equal to 3. And substitute the x to the third term and the x to the fourth term in this row. So x to the second term plus 2 times negative 7 because that the x to the third term is negative 7 plus x to the fourth term, and x to the fourth term is 4. So it's 4 is equal to 3. 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. So the equation is x to the second term minus 14 plus 4 is equal to 3. And combine like term, x to the second term, when we combine this, is equal to negative 10 because negative 14 plus 4 is equal to negative 10 plus equal to 3. And again, we need to use the additive inverse and add to the left and add to the right. So x is equal to 13. X to the second term is equal to 13. So last, solve for x to the first term. To solve to the x to the first term, we can use the x to the second term and x to the fourth term. So the first row is x to the first term plus 2x to the second term plus x to the fourth term is equal to 4. And substitute the x to the second term and x to the fourth term. So, the equation is x to the first term is plus 2 times 13 plus 4 is equal to 4. So, the equation is x to the first term is plus 26 plus 4 is equal to 4. Combine like terms, 26 plus 4 is equal to 30. And we need to additive inverse. Additive inverse of positive 30 is negative 30. Add to the left and add to the right. So, x to the first term plus 30. And additive inverse of positive 30 is negative 30. Add negative 30 here and add negative 30 to the right is equal to 4 minus negative 30. So, combine like terms. It is cancel. And 4 minus 30 is equal to negative 26. And the solution set is x to the first term is equal to negative 26. X to the second term is equal to 10. X to the third is equal to negative 7. And last, x to the fourth term is equal to 4. That's all. Thank you for listening. God bless.